Original.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I got that ninja bun with bangs you saw on the thumbnail. So I'm going right ahead to undo my cornrows.
Body nice. See I got them girls, them are moving right. See the girls.
So after doing that, I'm going to go ahead and detangle my hair using my comb.
Yeah. Man, I tell her when she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm on low. Man, I tell her when she go low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. I count down.
So I'm just making sure that my hair is actually very detangled, because you don't want to work with your hair looking rough or having any tangles in it. And guys, I don't know where my mom came from, but she just came into my room when I was taking this video, and she came to ask for something. I don't know what it was, but so I just told her I was taking a video and she had to go outside. So to moisturize my hair, I'm using my Cantu leave-in conditioner, and I'm just going to put that all over my hair and also spray my hair with water. Guys, when you're working with nappy hair, I always say this in all my hair videos, you need to work with a moisturized hair so that your hair just slicks down perfectly well. Like, it's very soft and it's going to be easy to slick down than when it is dry. Then I'm going to go ahead and continue detangling. So guys, the key to slicking down your 4C hair is working in parts, especially if your hair is really thick. You want to make sure you're working in parts. Okay, so right now I'm going to be working in parts and I'm trying to create a bun. So that is what I'm trying to do right now. So what I'm applying there is my Shine Edge wax. I just didn't want to use my Eco Gel too much on my hair today, so I'm using my edge wax instead. Then I'm using my rubber band to tie that up. You guys should just watch and you guys understand what I'm doing.
Body nice. See I got them girls, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Yeah. Man, I tell her when she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm on low. Man, I tell her when she go low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. I count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a loop now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me I put you on a first class. So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So you give me your number one I control. So you really meant for the girls when they come through. Come through. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to be the one. Calm down, take it slow. See the girl, them a coming at me yard, them a give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them a girls, them a tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got.
Batman, turn up the vibe. Batman, turn up the vibe.
Original
Batman, turn up the vibe. 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 Batman, turn up the vibe.
Original Batman.
Just say no.
Original Batman.
then a bad man turn up the place.
Body nice. See, I got them girls, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Man, I tell her when she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm all low. Man, I tell her when she go low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. I count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me I put you on a first class.
No, 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 no.
To the beat of the bad man turn up the place, then a bad man turn up the place. To the
Say
beat of the bad man turn up the place, then a bad man turn up the place. To the beat of the bad man turn up the place, then a bad man turn up the place.
So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So you give me your number one I control. So you really, really meant for the girls when they come through. Come true. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to be the one. Calm down, take it slow.
My hair into one piece. I just went ahead to use my black thread to just tie that up very well and slick that even more. So now that my hair really looks really slick, I'm just going to show you guys how it looks behind as well. Then I'll go ahead into my satin head wrap and I'm just going to wrap that all up. Okay, then I'll stay for some time. So during that time that I was waiting for my hair to get dry, I was sleeping. So I actually took a nap for 4 hours. So after 4 hours, I came back and took off my satin head wrap and my hair was dry.
Turn up the vibe, bad man, turn up the vibe.
So now that my hair really looks dry, I'm just going to go ahead and cover up my hair and start working with my bun. And I'm covering it up with this elastic light material.
Shawty claiming that she got me red-handed, cheating with the girl next door. Squeeze. Tell me what you never do when I see big cash from my Insta explore. Like, wow. Sure you won't make her the close eye, yeah. When the KB they look nice, yeah.
So the hair I'm using is this braiding hair. It's actually the crystal braiding hair we all know, and I went ahead to stretch it, okay, just so that I shouldn't have very sharp ends. And then I'm going ahead to tuck that rubber band that I had in between the braiding hair onto my natural hair bun. And what I'm doing is I'm just going to go ahead and separate that hair into two, well, not into two equal halves, actually one is bigger than the other, and I'm just going to start creating my bangs from there. And what I'm doing right now is trying to check if the bangs is okay. I didn't want thick bangs, so I got my bangs. I'm just going to go ahead and push that hair upwards because I didn't want the bangs to be too long, and then go into my bobby pin and pin that end that I have there onto my natural hair ponytail, if you guys understand. Then I'm going to start working with the rest of my hair. So that is my bangs in front. Like, I have created my bangs already. I'm just going to go ahead and start wrapping all my braiding hair left into a bun. You want to make sure you wrap your hair really tight, okay, because if you don't wrap it to be tight, it's going to start losing up. And while I was rubbing, I went ahead to spray it just to make sure it's shiny and to give it that shine and hold as well. So when rubbing, I used my bobby pin to tuck in the bun to be really hard as well, so I don't lose my bun afterwards.
Nasty. Girl, I want to get lost in it. Bad situation, don't come worse in it. Can't still big, I gotta worship it. Can't still big, I'm gonna worship it. Yeah, please don't worsen it. Bad situation, don't come worse in it. Can't still big, I gotta worship it. Might even get kicked. Money, baby, shake it. We are jerk it, make it nasty. We are whining, baby, shake it, make it nasty, make it nasty.
already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder, 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 murder me. You a murder, 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 murder me. So make you give them, give them, give them, give them, girl. So make you show them, show them, show them that you got it. The way that you wind that booty on me, you make me wanna sign that booty for me. I'll do you anywhere when you turn me on. You looking at me, girl, me say carry on. Say girl, I really like the way that you carry your body. Say girl.
So now that I'm done with my bun, I'm just going to go into my got to be free spray and spray that up just to make sure that hold is strong. And I'm going to go ahead and start working with my bangs. I'm just going to go ahead and comb that bangs out and start trimming. Okay, so I'm trimming the middle part of my bangs to be shorter than the outer part of my bangs, just to give it that extra style, if you guys understand. So I'm just going to trim that all up.
Murder, 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 murder me. You a murder, 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 murder me. Oh Lord of His mercy, she a murder me. She dey murder me. This body, baby, oh. Vicus, bad man, I see. Bulaka.
So for my side bangs, I'm going to be trimming it in a diagonal manner, as you guys see me doing. So I'm going to trim my bangs again because I don't want that covering my eyes, but I'm just going to end a little bit below my brows, because your bangs will look funny if they are too short, okay, and will look funny as well if they are too long. So when I have trimmed that up to the level that I want it to be, I'm just going to go ahead and do upward motions on my bangs, just so that my hair doesn't really look straight, like it looks like stretched hair. Yes, and I think that is basically it, guys. I'm just going to go ahead and continue trimming and trimming.
You're a really cool girl, I got a really good kiss. Ha, she feeling my way. You whisper to her friends, say she's feeling my face. Ha, she's feeling my place. She want to be with me when she's feeling highway. Bakachuku Makagini, Osofuni Pay, Rukweni, Chichi. She looking very hot in my yellow Lamborghini. You get the way. Hey, baby, carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby, carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah, 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 nah. Ginger me, how they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me all the day.
So now that the hair looks good, I'm just going to go into my small Babyliss or hair straightener. You don't want to use too much heat on this hair because this is synthetic hair, it might burn. So what you want to do is pluck your Babyliss to current and remove it to stay for a while, like to cool for a while before you go ahead to, you know, straighten your hair and make it look like real bangs. Okay, as you guys see me doing, wow, it really looks pretty, guys. It really looks pretty. So that's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a beautiful comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys. Mwah.
Yeah. Man, I tell her when she gone low. Say you gonna get me when I'm on low. Man, I tell her when she gone low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. Count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me I put you on a first class. No, 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 no.